Have you ever woken up feeling like your body is moving through muscles? Your legs feel heavy, your arms weak, and getting out of bed seems like a challenge you didn't sign up for. It's not just tiredness or a bad night's sleep. There's something deeper going on, something quietly stealing your strength, one night at a time. Imagine waking up each morning feeling stronger, more energized, and ready to take on the day. What if the secret to reversing that creeping weakness isn't a miracle pill or an intense workout, but something as simple as what you eat before bed? Today, we're diving into the hidden battle happening inside your muscles while you sleep and how you can fight back with 7 powerful foods that could change your life. Let me ask you this. Have you ever felt your muscles getting weaker but shrugged it off as just aging? Or maybe you've noticed it, and you're desperate to find a way to stop it. Share your story in the comments because you're not alone, and this could be the turning point you've been waiting for. As we grow older, our muscles face a silent enemy called sarcopenia. It sneaks in unnoticed, slowly shrinking and weakening our muscles, making everyday activities feel harder. But here's the alarming truth. Nearly 1 out of 3 people over 60 suffer from this without realizing it until a sudden fall or injury changes their life. The good news? Science shows that muscle loss isn't inevitable, and it can be slowed, stopped, or even reversed. And the battlefield is often right in your bedroom. You might think sleep is when your body rests, but did you know it's also when your muscles either break down or rebuild? Without the right nutrients before bed, your body can slip into a destructive mode, burning muscle instead of healing it. That's why the food you choose to eat before lights out isn't just a snack. It's your secret weapon. Let's start with a food you probably have in your kitchen right now. Eggs. Not just any eggs, but soft-boiled or poached eggs. They're packed with complete proteins and a special amino acid called leucine, which is like a spark plug that ignites muscle growth. Studies have shown that older adults who eat leucine-rich foods before bed build muscle faster. And the best part? Soft cooking makes eggs easier to digest, perfect for seniors who need every nutrient to count. Add a pinch of sea salt or some fresh spinach and you've got a simple, delicious way to feed your muscles overnight. Next up is almond butter. This creamy spread isn't just tasty. It's a powerhouse of healthy fats, protein, and magnesium. Magnesium is key because it helps your muscles relax and repair while you sleep. Plus, almond butter contains arginine, an amino acid that improves blood flow, ensuring your muscles get the nutrients they need to heal. Imagine your muscles getting a steady stream of fuel all night long. Spread a tablespoon on whole grain. Toast or stir it into warm oatmeal for a bedtime treat that supports your strength. Now here's a surprising hero, tart cherry juice. You might have seen it in health stores, but its benefits go far beyond being trendy. Tart cherries are loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation and reduce muscle soreness. What's more, they naturally boost melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall into deep restorative sleep, the kind of sleep where muscle repair really happens. Drinking 8 ounces about 30 minutes before bed can calm your muscles and your mind, giving you a double boost for recovery. Let's not forget about pumpkin seeds, those tiny but mighty nutrient bombs. They're rich in magnesium, zinc, and protein, all essential for muscle health. Magnesium helps control muscle contractions and supports deep sleep, while zinc plays a role in healing and immune function. Pumpkin seeds also have tryptophan, which your body turns into serotonin and melatonin, guiding you into peaceful sleep. Just a couple of tablespoons before bed can make a big difference in how your muscles recover. Dairy lovers, this one's for you. Greek yogurt. Thick, creamy, and packed with protein, Greek yogurt is unique because it contains 2 types of proteins: whey, which works quickly, and casein, which digests slowly. This combo gives your muscles immediate and sustained support throughout the night. Add some chia seeds or berries for extra antioxidants and omega-3s, and you have a tasty muscle-repairing snack that feels like dessert but works like medicine. Cottage cheese deserves a spotlight too. It's a slow-digesting protein superstar full of casein and leucine, which helps trigger muscle growth. Its soft texture makes it easy to eat, especially if chewing is a problem. Plus, it's rich in calcium and phosphorus, crucial for strong bones and muscle function. Mix in some chia seeds and berries, let it sit to thicken, and enjoy a bedtime snack that fuels your muscles gently and effectively. Finally, the ultimate muscle-building trio, a shake made from high-quality whey protein, collagen peptides, and leucine. Whey protein rapidly floods your muscles with amino acids, kickstarting repair. Collagen supports your tendons, ligaments, and joints, keeping everything strong and flexible. Adding leucine amplifies the muscle-building signal, doubling the power of whey alone. Blend them with unsweetened almond milk and maybe a dash of cinnamon or half a banana, and you have a nighttime elixir scientifically proven to rebuild muscle, even in people in their 80s. So here's the real secret. It's not just about eating more protein. It's about timing and combining the right nutrients before sleep. By making these simple foods part of your nightly routine, you're telling your body to stop breaking down muscle and start building it back stronger. Imagine waking up day after day feeling more stable, energetic, and confident, reclaiming your independence and freedom. Now I want to hear from you. Have you noticed your strength fading or your balance slipping? What bedtime foods are you already enjoying, or which ones are you excited to try tonight? Drop a comment below and share your journey. Your story might inspire someone else to take that first step towards stronger muscles and better health. Don't forget, your muscles aren't a lost cause. They're waiting for the right fuel and timing to grow again. Start tonight, one small change at a time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more life-changing health tips, and share it with someone you care about. Remember, strength isn't just for the young. It's for anyone brave enough to fight for it every day, starting with what you eat before bed.